There's a heart to a handmade knife that a store-bought one you just can't buy. And so there's something about teaching somebody to do it for themselves. Nothing matches that, what I feel. Just passing on a heritage and a tradition of kind of a lost and dying art. I started making knives almost 7 years ago. I was working a job where I was really frustrated and getting burned out, and I needed an outlet. And I'm kind of a self-taught knife maker. And just started learning, just going out every evening, practicing on the weekends, and eventually I was able to turn it into a full-time job nearly a year ago, and just have fun. There's nothing like making something with your hands and giving it to somebody that they can actually pass on to their kids. In knife making, there are two different disciplines. There's forging and stock removal. This class focuses on the stock removal aspect of the knife making, where you take a rectangular stock of steel and use a grinder and shape out your steel, and you wind up with a knife at the end. I've never taught anybody before, so coming in, and it helped me refine my own process and make myself more efficient. It was really great to see people come in with all different backgrounds and skill sets. Some had never touched some of these machines before. I came from a heavy manufacturing background, and where I taught a lot of people how to operate heavy equipment that was very dangerous. So I have a lot of patience and a lot of passion for getting the new guy out here to try. Because if I can get you to try something, it just opens up something in people, and then I say you can conquer the world. Watching them when their faces light up when everything comes together that last night, and they walk out of here and everybody's comparing knives and taking pictures, and there's really an excitement about it and a camaraderie that comes with that.